The Boeing AH-64 Apache is an American twin-turboshaft attack helicopter with a tailwheel-type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a crew of 2. It features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. It is armed with a 30mm, 1.18 in M230 chain gun carried between the main landing gear, under the aircraft's forward fuselage, and 4 hardpoints mounted on stub-wing pylons for carrying armament and stores, typically a mixture of AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and Hydra 70 rocket pods. The AH-64 has significant systems redundancy to improve combat survivability. Engine type: turboshaft. Range: 476 kilometers. Manufacturers: Boeing Company, McDonnell Douglas, Subaru Corporation, etc. Length: 18 meters. Top speed: 293 kilometers per hour. First flight: September 30, 1975. Number of seats: 2. The Apache AH-64E is often referred to as the most advanced attack helicopter in the world.